So we're going to continue with adaptation and modification. You're going to click on the Wednesday folder, open up the adaptation modification slides, and we're going to go over what they are. So remember, adaptation is when you adjust to the environment. So in the picture, he's cold, he's putting on a scarf, a beanie. Okay, you're adjusting to the environment. Modification is you are permanently changing the environment to fit our needs. So you're making a permanent change. And so these are examples of human adaptation. Again, they're changing to fit the environment. You know, they're fishing, using their local food resources because the fish can reproduce. They use the natural resources to make medicines. They cut down some trees to make some logs there. They built their house on some stilts so that way, you know, if something comes up, there's a flood, that they can do that. And then we have modification, so deforestation, coal mining, urbanization, which is the growth of cities. So here's a Google Earth showing Las Vegas and how it's growing, and here are the years. So they started in 1980 some to 2012, and look at the lake, how it starts to shrink and grow, and look at how big the city starts to get. Look at how it's just growing. Infrastructures, and then industrialization. So building dams are to control the water, you know, going from down, and this provides water supply, the farming and irrigation, so they want to control the flood waters. And so this is an adaptation because people have adjusted and found a way to cope with flooding or needing a water supply. It is not always either or. Some examples can be both. And then you'll see that when we talk about the Panama Canal. So again, here's a recap. Adaptation, you change yourself. Modification, you're changing the earth and things like that. So you're going to go through the slides and you're going to explain what does human adaptation mean in your words. Give us an example. What is environmental modification to you? And then an example. Then you're going to watch this video on the Ring of Fire. You're going to answer these 3 questions. And then you're going to do your own learning adventure. So you're going to choose one of the boards, Machu Picchu, earthquakes in Mexico City, or the Panama Canal. So you're going to watch, if you pick Machu Picchu, you're watching the video, answering the 3 questions. If you pick the earthquakes in Mexico, the same thing, video and questions. And then Panama Canal has 2 videos with 3 questions. And then that's all you're doing for today.